Our cities are becoming smarter, powered by an Internet of Things that works seamlessly together to improve every aspect of our lives. But it's not just our city. With Qualcomm AI solutions, even factories like this can be connected and intelligent. From the robots using AI to track and place inventory, to smart safety that detect changes on the factory floor, to AI navigation that allows for lights-out manufacturing. These advanced AI-equipped systems are able to identify potential issues before they happen, helping to avoid costly downtime in critical industries that we all rely on. Making factories greener, more sustainable, and more efficient. Welcome to the edge of possible.